Hello everyone, welcome to the How to Corner, your go-to channel for all things digital. In today's video, we'll show you how to lock a chat on WhatsApp to keep your conversations private and secure. Let's go. First, open your WhatsApp and select the chat you want to lock. For this example, we'll choose a chat with Joyce. Long press on the contact's name to open some chat settings. Click on the three dots at the top right corner of your phone, and then click on Lock Chat. If it's your first time doing this, you'll be prompted to set up a password or use your phone's biometric authentication, like a fingerprint or Face ID. Follow the prompts to set your preferred method. In this case, I'll use the fingerprint option. Congrats! Your chat is now locked. To access your locked chat, swipe down on the Chats tab to reveal the Locked Chat tab. Click on it and enter your phone's passcode or fingerprint when prompted. To unlock the chat, long press on the contact's name. Click on the three dots at the top right corner of your phone, and then click on Unlock Chat. Go back to the Chats tab to view the unlocked chat. And that's how to lock, access, and unlock your locked chats. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more digital how-to guides.